Hi, my name is Khan and welcome to the new chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn that how we can trade session timing and what are the role in a liquidity and how we can spot the session timing and what is the reason if market taken out the any session high or low, sometime market taken out the previous session high or low, and sometime market close above it or below it, but market give you opposite direction, and sometime you will see continuation. So in this chapter we are going to learn that how actually you can trade in a easy to understand way. To trade any session there are different type of strategy and different way to trade session timing. If you wanna go in a deep, then you will see this is alone a very large topic based on the session trading. In this chapter, I'm just going to explain you that how you can easily spot the liquidity and how you can trade. So first of all, you have to understand what is a session. Session means as you know, every country time zone are different and Forex market open 24 hours and Forex market traders, most of the traders active during London session and New York session, but previous past session is important to identify where is our next session is going on. For example, Asian and Tokyo session are very low volume and London session start giving you momentum in a market to push higher and push lower because most of the traders start trading during London session, and New York session is high volume session. As you know, session timing and session high or low, both high or low act like a liquidity because once market break the previous session high or low, those act like a liquidity, everyone buying or selling based on the breakout and based on the breakdown. When market break the previous session high and they are looking for the buy, and some people, if anyone selling, they put the stop loss just above it and just below it, then what happened? Next session open and then collect all money and then push higher and then push lower. So these things will be continue. And I wanna say one more thing. If you don't know that exactly how session is a work and you are facing any difficulty to understand this thing, you can leave it. You can also follow the trend liquidity, and as we have discussed in a previous chapter, like trendline liquidity, retails liquidity and structural liquidity and previous day high or low, which act like a liquidity, and these are also part of the liquidity. So if you don't know exactly and facing any problem, you can leave it. If you understand that how session is a work, and you can simply apply on your chart, which will give you extra additional confirmation before the buy or sell and gives you more confidence before the buy or sell. So let's see how it actually works. First of all, look at this diagram. This one is our Asian session and this one is our London and this one is a New York, and every country have different time zone. Okay, so you can apply any indicator which will keep you that where is our session, and for session timing you can apply this indicator. I'm using this one, Asian session range, simply available on TradingView. You can also apply any other which one you like. Okay, so this one is our Asian session, right? And when you trade based on the session, then you have to follow the structure also, because when market tap on PUI and market gives you session confirmation, which will be additional confirmation for the buy and sell. Okay, so I'm just focusing on that how you can actually find a trade during session. So look at this one. This one is our Asian session. Asian session is a low volume session, very less traders are active that time. So how you can trade it? You have to wait for to break out, you have to wait for to taken out previous session high or low, then you take a decision for the next move in a London session. For example is here, this one is our Asian session low and Asian session is high here. Okay, what happened if market push downside and taken out this low, right? If market taken out this low, just sweep the liquidity, you can also buy here, right? If market not taken out this liquidity, just close below it. Sometime what happened, market move open here and close below it during the London session, then what will be happen if market close below it? You can simply buy here and sell here, but you have to remember two scenario. First scenario is here, if market taken out this low, okay, but market just sweep the liquidity, you can simply switch into 1 minute for the additional confirmation, then you can definitely buy here. And next possible buy is here, you can simply buy based on the single candle order block which is covered in a previous chapter. For example here, let me show you exactly. But what happen if market close below it? If market close below it, then you have to check in a left side if there is any unmitigated order block or any POI is here. Okay, if anything available here in a left side, then you can definitely buy here as per your 1 minute chart, and also you can use buy limit or sell limit based on the single candle order block is here. Okay, so this is our first scenario. What happened in the next London session? If market break the previous session high, which one is here, and close above it. If market close above it, this one is our called break of structure as we know, right? But I'm talking about in terms of the session. So when market close above it, it means market momentum looking for the continuation, right? So when we can buy here, we can buy after taking out the inducement. Simply you have to wait for to create structure something like this, break out this one and wait for taking out the inducement at this point. When market taken out this inducement, and then you can definitely buy here. So this one is our next scenario, and this buy will be possible in New York session. And then what happened here? Again, market break this structure is here, and this one is called our break of structure in terms of the session timing, right? So this one is our break of structure. This one is our break of structure. It means market momentum is a bullish. So what happened if market close above it? If market close above it, we are looking for the buy. But remember one thing. You have to remember one thing. First one, in a day, one session will be manipulated. If Asian and London are doing continuation in a bullish, okay, then New York will give you short term or maybe longer term a bearish momentum to the downside for the reversal. Okay, so these two sessions are continuation, and New York will be give you a downside move. Okay, sometime what happened, Asian session is a bearish. Okay, sometime what happened, Asian is a bullish, then London and New York both are bearish. So at least one session will be manipulated in a day. And so this one is our first scenario. If the Asian session and London session both are bullish, then New York will be bearish. Okay, so this one is our first indication that New York can gives you a downside move, but even market are close above it. Okay, so this is the first indication. Second indication is here, if market taken out this high but not close above it, just sweep the liquidity the previous high, which one is here. So this can be a shadow is here. So this shadow act like our PUI, and you can also sell here in a lower time frame as per the 1 minute and as per the 5-minute single candle order block, which will cover after that. Okay, and next possible scenario is here. So this is our first scenario is here in a bullish market. And what happen if Asian session is a bullish, something like this, and New York and London are bearish? So how we can trade them? First one, this one is our Asian session low, which is must be close below it, right? So if price close below it, then in a London session, what happen here? In a London session, you have to wait for to taken out this inducement, right? Not this high. Okay, sometime you will see market taken out this inducement, and then what happen? Market push again downside, again break this high, and again market go higher. And in a New York session, market can sweep this inducement and sometimes sweep this high, and then again you can see a downside move like this. But it's depend, because if market taken out this low, just sweep this low, so we can see market go higher high, at least taken out this actual high, which one is here. But if price close below it here, which is a London session is here, then what happen? Market taken out this inducement, and then you will see a downside move, right? So I will show you exactly same thing on chart, then you can understand very easily and very quickly. So simply you can understand like this. In a day, one session will be manipulated. In a very rare case, you will see Asian, London and New York 3 sessions are bullish or bearish in a row. No, you can understand like this. In a day, one session will be manipulated. Those sessions can be Asian, London and New York, right? You have to remember 2-3 things only. First one is a market break the previous session high. If close above it, then you can see continuation. If market not close above it or not close below it, then you can looking for the reversal to the upside and downside as per the single candle order block, as per the 1 minute entry criteria after chalk, pause, flip entry module. So these are overall first scenario. And second scenario is here, if market break the previous session high is here and close above it, and then you will see price close above it, but market keeps you move to the downside, something like this, close below it. Okay, so this is our overall first scenario, right? And what is the next scenario? If market momentum is a bullish, and you can see market close above it, which one is here? Asian session break the previous high and close above it, then you are looking here for buy at this point. But what happened? Market push downside and not going higher high, and then what happened? Market push downside again and break this low, which one is here? But you are expecting price go higher, because market break the previous high. Why this move happened? You have to remember, and you have to check left side PUI. If there is anything is here in a 15 minute as per your higher time frame, right? So if there is anything just here, Okay, then this scenario is a more highly chances that at this point you can see move to the downside, and this London session can be pushed downside, right? So you have to check overall scenario as per 15-minute higher time frame if there is any supply, any POI type or not. If not, or then you can take decision as per your session, break of structure, change of character, inducement, right? But if price tap on your 15-minute POI and market hit your POI zone as per your session timing, right? So you can simply switch here in a 1 minute and you can take a decision based on 15-minute timing, because as per your session timing, this one is our Asian session high and close our bit, and people are looking here for buy after taking out the inducement. But this inducement is your change of character actually. Why? Because price tap on your higher time frame supply, which one is here, and now you have to wait for to mitigate this supply zone, which one is here. Once price tap here, you can simply sell here till this low at least, right? And then major move is here. And then what happened here in a New York session, will market also give you momentum to the downside, which will help you to reach your target as per your 15-minute major low, right? So these two possible scenario happened during London session, New York session and Asian session. So before trade based on the session timing, you have to mark your structure based on the M15 higher time frame structure, and session timing you can include, you can take a reference for the POI identification, for the reversal identification, for the continuation identification. So these session timing we can use for additional confirmation before the buy or sell. Session can be used in a bullish market and bearish market, it doesn't matter. It's not necessary that session is a work in a bullish market or bearish market. A session work in a both scenario, right? So now I'm going to show you exactly on chart, then you can understand very clearly. So this is our Aussie USD chart in a 5-minute time frame, and you can apply any currency pair. I'm talking about Forex market only, and this one is our Asian session, and the next one is our London, and third one is a gray is here a New York session, which one is here. And to apply this indicator, you can apply this indicator Asian session range. This is available on trading view, you can simply apply on your chart. Okay, so if you know any other indicator, you can apply any other indicator. It's up to you that which indicator is working for you, right? So simply this one is our Asian session. As you know, market momentum is a bullish, and Asian session is looking for the bullish momentum. And again, what happened here in a London session, same thing happened here as we have discussed, that Asian session broke the range and close of it. This one is our break of structure, as we know. And then what happened here, to confirm buy or sell, price must be taken out the inducement in the next session. So this one is our London session range is here. And then what happened here, market taken out this inducement, and once market taken out the inducement, we can buy here because market momentum is a bullish as per the session timing. Both are bullish is here, right? As then what happened after this one, market again break the structure is here, and this one is our first indication that market actually looking here for the reversal. And one more is a confirmation is here, Asian and London both are bullish. It means New York can gives you a reversal move to the downside. So same thing happen here. As we can see here, market break the first one and second one and third one is a bearish bullish, okay, and then finally bearish. So in a one day, at least one session will be manipulated. So this is a normal definition that how you can identify move, what is the next move in a session timing. I'm not talking about the anti part. I'm not talking about the anti part. Anti part will be also cover, but you have to understand how session is a working. Let's look at the another example, and this is our next example. As you can see here, this one is our Asian session, and this one is our London session, and this one is our New York session. You can see here in this bearish market, Asian session was bearish and also London is a bearish, and then what happened, New York gives you reversal move to the upside. And same thing happened in a bullish market and bearish market. Everywhere you can see, sometimes you can see Asian session is a bearish and London is a bullish, then New York also will be bullish, right? Because in a one day, at least one session will be manipulated and one session gives you opposite direction of the move. To understand session range, you can simply backtest your previous chart. If you can see any previous diagram, this one is our Asian session which is bullish, and then again both sessions are bearish, London and New York, right? And again what happened here, if you can see here, this is our Asian session. Asian session is a bullish and London is a bullish, and then in the next attempt what happened, market is a bearish. So how you can actually trade and how you can identify that if market is a bullish, and then what we can expect in next session. Simply, if market taken out the previous session high or low, suit the high or low, simply you can buy or sell based on the single candle order block. If price close above the previous session high or low, simply you can buy or sell after taking out the inducement. These are also Asian session, London session and New York, right? So these move will be continue, right? So I'm going to show you exactly that how you can actually trade if market break the previous session high or low, and what happen if price tap on PY zone, the previous supply or demand zone as per the 15-minute. And so let's start from this one, and this one is our first example, right? So this one is our Asian session, market break this one, and after this what happened, price close above it. It means we are looking for after taking out the inducement. So in this case, where is our inducement and when we can take buy in a next session, which is our London session. So London session start from here, and then what happened, this become our new inducement, and you can buy here after taking out the inducement. After taking out this inducement, simply you can buy based on the single candle order block. And second possible scenario, if market taken out the inducement and tap on any recent order block or order flow, then you can buy here. So look at this, price action is here, and this become our first pullback is here, right? So after taking out this pullback, what happened here, market taken out this one, and this one, this candlestick act like our PY, which one is here, right? Because market taken out this pullback is here, and definitely you can buy here in a lower time frame as per our 1 minute entry. And second one, you can also buy here if market next candle cover the previous candle which taken out the liquidity based on the single candle order block, or you can say next bullish engulfing candle close above it. I'm talking about this candlestick, which one is here, right? If price close above it, then definitely we can buy here. What happened here, after taking out the inducement, market continue push downside, and finally market mitigate our order flow, which one is here, right? So this one is our order flow when we can buy here. This one is our first indication that market actually looking for the continuation, and simply when price type here, you can buy here when confirmation is here, when market gives you confirmation, which is the last candle is here, right? The next candle close of it, it means this become our valid, and you can say single candle order block, and simply you can buy here. First indication, if market continue fall, push downside, right, not close of it, and continue push downside, and maybe hit your unmitigated order block possible here, right? And this can be also, but this one is taken out and mitigate, so we can use this one order block and price type here, and gives you any indication like single candle order block, definitely you can buy here till the extreme high, which one is here. This one is our London session high. So let me show you through bar play, then you can understand very easily and very quickly. Let's see what happened next here. Market tap on this order block, right? If market tap in this order flow, okay, then what happened here, price tap here, taken out the inducement, structure is a bullish, right? And simply you can buy here as per the single candle order block, but price next candle must be close above it. If price close above it, this become our valid entry, because we are already in a 5 minute, and then most of the time you will not see any change of character in a 1 minute. Very rare case you will see a chalk boss in a lower time frame in a 1 minute if you are using 5 minute as a higher time frame, but if you are using 15 minute as a higher time, then most of the time you will see a chalk in a 1 minute confirmation, right? So let's see what happened next here. So next candle close above it, and this candle act like our single candle order block, because market taken out the inducement, tap on this order flow, and market momentum is established. These three indication for the reversal to the upside, and now we can take a risk here for the buy. So simply you can buy directly as per the 5 minute time frame. First one is here, put the buy limit is here, and put the stop loss is here, right? And target at least this one is here. And second thing, if you wanna reduce your risk and maximize your profit, then you can apply one more thing. If price mitigate by the next candle is here, something like this, okay, then you can simply switch in a 1 minute time frame and find and refine your 1 minute order block and buy here. Then your stop loss will be reduced and target will be same, okay? And the first area is here, directly you can buy here based on the single candle order block, and put the stop loss just below it, and target is here. So this one is our first indication and first entry. And second entry, when market tap on this order block and you can switch into 1 minute time frame, then simply you can buy here. So let's see what happened next here. All right, okay, price not mitigate this order block. Okay, and one more thing I wanna mention here, if market continue go higher high and break this one, which is our major high, and continue go higher. So this entry is not valid as per our single candle order block. Okay, then what happened? Market must be taken out this inducement and market can be reversed to mitigate something here and then continue go higher. So process will be same, but scenario will be changed here in this case, right? So you have to wait for it, and you don't need to buy directly here, and you can simply switch in a 1 minute for additional confirmation. Once you wait for 1 minute as per our single candle order block, then you can buy, because 5 minute is already a lower time frame. 5 minute we don't use as a higher time frame in a forex market. So you have to wait for as a single candle order block before the buy or sell. So let's see what happened next here after this one. Okay, so finally market mitigate this order block and you can directly buy here, and this one is your first entry is here. But if you want to reduce your risk and you wanna maximize your profit, then simply you can switch in a 1 minute time frame to reduce your risk. And in this case you can identify where is our unmitigated order block and when we can take risk for the buy or sell. So in this case this one is our entire order block as per our 5 minute time frame. So this entire zone is our 5 minute single candle order block is here, right? So if you wanna refine your order block as per our 1 minute time frame, so you have to check that there is any unmitigated order block or not. Okay, so start from the bottom of the structure. This one is our last selling candle before the buy, which one is here, and this candle is the mitigate by the next move. What happen here? Price go higher and tap here, and simply market mitigate this one and continue go higher. So still you have to refine the next order block. Where is our next order block? This one, right? Why this one is a valid here, and you can buy here because this candle taken out the previous candle low is here. It means this become our valid entry for the buy is here. And second one, proper imbalance is here. This candle high is here and third candle low is here, right? It means this is our valid entry for the buy, and simply you can put the stop loss is below it like this. Okay, and this one is, and this become our valid entry for the buy is here. And then where is our next possible entry for the buy? In this case the next possible entry is here. If market create any single mitigation, if market create anything is here in a, as per our 1 minute time frame, for example 1 minute single candle order block close above it, then you can also buy here on the next candle like this, right? So first target is here and final target is here. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, let's see. As you can see here, market start giving reaction to the upside, but market not close above it, right? So which candle? Because this one, this sell candle is our last selling candle before this buy, so you have to wait for to create complete structure before the buy or sell. If next candle close above it, for example here, right, then definitely you can buy here. Okay, because this is our actual candlestick, proper imbalance. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. And one more possible scenario is here. If market push downside and break this low is here, and again continue go higher, and candle, this candle is here and this candle and close above it, then definitely you can buy here something like this. So let's see what happened next here. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, the next candle close above it. So what happened here, and when we can expect our next buy is here. Okay, so let's see. This is our last selling candle before this buy move, and you have to identify last actual order block which is proper imbalance, right? So if you are starting, this one is an order block and this one is a not valid order block. Why? Because this one is a not last selling candle. If this candle break the previous candle low, something like this, okay, so this become our valid entry for the buy. But in this case market not break the previous low, and this is just inside where, so we can't use this one. Actual candle is here, which one is here, the next candle not close over it. So this is not a single candle order block as we know. So we can move our order block is here. This candle is our next order block is here, right? Because this candle broken previous candle high, right? And you can extend something like this. Okay, and why this one is a more valid? Because proper imbalance is here, minor imbalance is available here, and this one is our actual order block, and simply you can put the buy limit is here and put the stop loss just below it, right? So this one is our second entry, and if you wish to reduce, if you wish to safer side stop loss, then put the stop loss just below it. And if you wanna put the stop loss just below it, then your risk reward will be increased when you put the stop loss just below it. Okay, and this one is your final target, which one is here around 5 hour. Okay, so let's see what happened next here after this one. And all right, so let's see Okay, finally market mitigate this order block, and then what happened here? Market continue going higher high. All right, let's see. Nice, going good. Okay, all right. Market trying to go higher, continue upper side. Okay. So let's see what happened next here. Finally, okay, nice. So this target is a hit here, and this next target is also hit here. These two trades hit our target. Why? Because these entry are very systematic and very logical and practical. There is nothing randomly. You have to just follow the rule. You have to just follow the structure. You have to just follow the criteria before the buy or sell. It doesn't mean that when market tap on your order block and always gives you bullish and winning trade and no losing trade. No, this is not correct. Sometime you will lose, sometime you will win, but it's all about risk reward and it's all about risk management. So let me show you one more example is here. If I switch here again in a 5-minute time frame. So in this case, what happened here? This become our Asian session, London session, and now open our New York session. So once market open the New York session, then what happened here? Simply you can sell here when this one is our single candle order block is here, right? Because the previous session high sweep here, it means this is our reversal confirmation at this point. When Asian and London both are bullish, it means New York session gives you reversal move to the downside. So we can simply expect a downside move at this point, because this is a proper candlestick which taken out the previous liquidity is here, right? Now switch again in a 1-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here, and you can definitely sell here as per our single candle order block. And second entry is a possible here. Second possible entry is here, and price create small structure is here. Chalk or flip entry module is also available here, right? But I'm going to show you exactly these two types of entry is here. So first entry is here. Market tap on this order block is here and gives you small momentum to the upside and then fail. It means this become our flip. Why? Because this is the last selling candle before this buy, because a small move to the upside and finally create a structure, give it a small move to the upside and break downside. So this is a flip entry model is here, and second one entry is here. If you directly looking for the sell, if you are looking here for sell, simply place the sell limit is here, or you can also sell based on market execution. Okay, and put the stop loss just above it, because this candle taken out the previous liquidity as per our 5-minute time frame. Let me exactly this one. Okay, because same thing happen here. Okay, I took this entry buy here, and same thing will be applicable here as per our entry session. I'm not saying you have to put stop loss 23 pips and 20 pips stop loss. Okay, 2 3 4 5 pips stop loss are enough for the buy or sell, right? As a day trader, if you are using in a forex market.